Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Appearance, click Theme, open in New tab, search, Elementor Theme Download. Click the first link, click the download, click File Manager. Click Public HTML. Click WP Content. Click Theme. Click File. Click Hello Elementor. Click Extract. Search Hello Elementor. Click Extract. Click Hello Elementor Extract. Search Hello Elementor. Click Extract. Click Hello Elementor. Click to move the file. Select the folder. Click the Move. Select and delete. Select and delete. Click WP Content, then go in Theme. Click Hello Elementor. Then click on Details. Click Enable Auto Updates. Click Dashboard. Click the link in the bio to sign up WPLearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.